Stay pegged, buddy. Stay pegged, whatever you are. Come on, I just want to see what the hell you are. Come on. Come on. Where are you? What is that thing? I think I snagged a carp. I did. That's crazy. I think it's a carp. Or is it a flathead? No, it's a carp. Oh, that's a big freaking carp. Holy sh! I don't know if I'll get this guy. What an 8-pound test. Oh my gosh. That's a big boy. Oh, jeez, I don't want to fall in. He's just running me upriver. Coming your way, John. I don't know if I'm gonna land this guy. Hey John, you gonna come help me? I accidentally snagged the carp by the tail. Look at the size of this freaking thing. That looks like a mirror carp. Yeah, I snagged it by the tail by accident. Huh? Almost looks like a mirror carp. It's weird looking.
What do you need to do?
Just like you can take the rod or help me land him. If he doesn't go down that way now.
Hold your rod. I'm not going to reel it now. I'll just hold it. That's it. You do the rest. I'm just going to hold it. That's it.
Yeah, let's try to drag him in a little bit.
That's a big carp.
Yeah. I snagged him by accident twice.
That's messed up.
Come on. I don't want to pull on it.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything.
Yeah.
That's a nice carp, dude. You need to land that. Get a picture of it. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, it's good to get the drag set right.
Yeah.
It's hard to land when they're hooked like that.
Yeah, I know. I can't. I don't know where the hell to grab them at. Oh gosh, and there's too much stuff in this water. I don't want to trip.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Oh.
That thing is huge. Oh man, that's fantastic. Look at the size of that sucker. Dude, that thing is huge.
Oh.
Oh, so glad I got this on video. Oh man, that's fantastic.
Oh.
You don't have a scale on you, do you?
No.
What about measuring tape? No, I think I have a measuring tape on me.
All right. Oh.
Oh my goodness, that's so awesome. I left it up there in my vest. I don't have it on me.
Oh.
It's over there by the other tree.
Oh.
I think you're right. That's a mirror carp. I've never seen one of those in here.
Yeah,
It is a mirror carp.
I didn't know they were up here.
I didn't either. That's definitely a mirror carp. Look, wow, I didn't think they're in the Schuylkill River.
Let you get a picture of
Dude,
this.
that is awesome. That thing is huge.
Phew.
Dude, that was awesome. You gotta wash your hands.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
He just kept walking me upriver. I'm like, I don't even know if I'm gonna land in this car.